If you find the content relevant, then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell button to get a regular notification. Also do share your experiences and any suggestions that you have in the comment box. Hope you enjoyed. Hi, so we're looking at ZAT paper strategy. So strategy becomes a very important part whenever you want to crack an exam. Proper strategy can make a huge difference in your scores. So this is just a idea in terms of strategy. You can modify based on your comfort level. You need to experiment in your mocks to understand which strategy works for you. But just an idea with regards to strategy. So paper pattern 26 questions, 21 questions, and 28 questions as far as verbal, DM, and con goes. You also have, which is total 165 minutes. You also have GK 625 questions in another 15 minutes, right? So first of all, we need to, the GK section is fine. I don't think you require any specific strategy. You try to solve a question, you know it, solve it. You don't know, leave it. Strategy will focus on as far as the first part goes, the verbal, DM, and the con section, 165 minutes. So strategy should be first to try to clear the cutoff. So that means, and always in any examination, try to solve the easy questions and a less question that take less time first. Because the mistake that people do is people keep on solving every question. They spend so much time on specific questions that in the end they find that they don't have enough time for the last questions which were quite easy. So therefore, it is very important that you always solve questions which are easy and less time consuming first, and then look at the result. So that means you will go with each section 2 times. So first round is just to ensure you clear the cutoff. Okay. Also, it makes sense to start with a weaker section. Whenever there is a sectional cutoffs, weaker section is always good to start because you have to clear the cutoffs, and you can think better at the start toward a weaker section. A stronger section, I think you can also solve when you are in the later period. But do experiment and check what works for you, what does not work. So ideally, I would say spend approximately 40 minutes each on each section. The order could be based on your comfort level, but approximately 2 hours, 40 minutes on each section just to clear the cutoff. So maybe around verbal 12 to 15 questions. Go to the section, check out which are easy. Maybe you can skip the RCs which are longer, solve the other ones which are easier, and finish 12 to 15 questions in 40 minutes. Same with DM, 12 to 15 minutes, 12 to 15 questions in 40 minutes. And same with COT. Okay, 10 to 15 questions. So you solve 40 minutes. If your accuracy is good, you should be able to clear the cutoffs as far as possible. Now, there is a possibility that when you're solving a section, you found one particular section quite tough. You're not able to solve too many questions. Okay, so in that case, come back to the next part. That means wherever you feel there's a problem in clearing cutoff, the next 20 to 25 minutes, go to that section and try to solve those questions and try to clear the cutoff. If you see there's no problem, then focus on maximizing your marks. If you feel you're comfortable in clearing the cutoffs, focus on maximizing. But if you feel no, then spend 20 to 25 minutes on clearing the cutoff and next 20 to 25 minutes on maximizing your marks. A section where you're strong at, you feel you can solve more questions, go to that section and solve. Right? So understand that that maximizing your marks need not always be a strong section. It is possible maybe you're really strong in con, but a section is really tough. Then try to focus on those questions where you can solve. That's what it is. Right? Also in quant, during this particular time for all the sections, go to all the questions and mark them as easy, medium, tough. I mean, the 28 questions that I go to all the questions. So you exactly know that when you're coming back in the second round, which question to solve and which question to leave. I mean, that's the idea you should have. So whenever you go to the first round in 40 minutes in any of these sections, the verbal or DM and con, for the remaining question which are not solved, write down the piece of paper. Should you come back in the second round or should you leave it? Classify as medium or tough and go to it. So you exactly know in the last 50 minutes, you don't waste time on searching the question. You can go to the question which you feel you can solve and solve. Try to stick to the time limits as far as strategy goes. Maybe the first 2 hours, try to stick to it. You can modify it in the last 50 minutes based on how your first 2 hours are gone. Right? Try doing that. I am sure if you experiment a bit on a strategy, it should help you to do well as far as exam is concerned. Thank you.